Facts about Malaysian snacks you didn't know, Part 6. Super Ring. The company that owns Super Ring is known as Oriental Food Industries Holding Berhad or OFIH, that was formed in 1996. They also own other brands like Jacker, Delio, Rota, Zest, and Fudo. While almost every Malaysian remembers this as a childhood snack, it became viral in 2019. Blackpink's Jisoo and Jennie fell in love with the snack after a fan handed it over to them in Singapore, to the point they went to a 7-Eleven in Kuala Lumpur to buy more. It was after this recognition that the snacks can now be found in South Korea and sold for about 4 ringgit a packet. In 2020, Najib posted a picture of himself eating it, mocking Mahathir's resignation. 2 months later, he was convicted on 7 charges. The public trolled him back by posting pictures of themselves snacking on Super Rings. In the same year, a work-from-home mom ran a business selling Super Rings to Americans for 50 ringgit each, earning her 4-figure income.